If you find yourself alone and in a similar situation, all is not lost. In the Bush Ranger range, you will find gear designed for such a situation. The simplest way is to lift your vehicle up onto the surface of the sand. The Bush Ranger X-Jack is ideal. This product won Best Four-Wheel Drive Accessory recently at the prestigious SEMA show in the USA. The X-Jack is simply a reinforced bag designed to inflate and lift your vehicle in soft stuff. The X-Jack has dual inflation points, either from the exhaust or from a high-quality compressor like the award-winning Max Air. The X-Jack has a reinforced lifting platform for protection, but even so, it's best to be cautious. If you are battling to find an area without edges, the kit comes with a mat to provide extra protection. Now, with the vehicle in neutral or park, start the engine and place the cone over the exhaust, and due to the efficient lifting platform, you'll find that as little as 5 to 10 psi will be sufficient to clear the wheels. Once clear, fill in the holes to ensure you don't bury yourself again. Place X-Tracks under the tyres in the direction you plan to drive. As you can see, the combination of X-Jack and X-Tracks works together really well. Where the X-Jack stands apart is its compatibility with a compressor. This is a brilliant innovation for a number of reasons. Firstly, from a safety point, you have far greater control, and if the vehicle is unstable, it allows you to operate at a distance. Secondly, if you've damaged your exhaust, you're not going to be able to achieve the necessary pressure for lifting. So there you go, a couple of simple ways to get out of trouble in the soft stuff.